Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top 3 video editing apps. So I'll talk about the apps, talk about the features, the OS compatibility, as well as the pricing. So if you're interested in that sort of content, then you want to stick around. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are seeing me on your screen, my name is Uchechi and I'm a content creator and digital marketing consultant. Here on my channel, I share content creation and social media tips for content creators and entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in that sort of content and you enjoy this video to the very end, please do well to subscribe to the channel so you can get more of these videos when I upload. Now in 2021, I think I did a video on my top content creation apps, right? I think that was 2020, yes. And so far that has been my best performing video on my channel. So I decided to do a refresh in 2022 because I have stopped using some of those apps and I have also started using some additional apps this year. But for this video, I'm focusing on video editing apps. So video editing apps for your Android devices, video editing apps for your iPhones, video editing apps possibly for your desktop in 2022. Now, the first app on my list is InShot. I've used InShot for as long as I can remember, right? So I started using InShot even before you could do export in 4K and all of that. I started out using the free version, right? So you have the free version and the paid version. I started out using the free version and I think I used it for such a long time and I could do without paying for it, right? However, I am now paying for a yearly subscription, which is about $9. Now I'm saying about because I live in Nigeria, and so when I pay for these apps, I pay with my Naira card, right? So a conversion is done. So sometimes I can't really tell what the exact price is, but I did a conversion and I have gotten to I think about $9, right? So it's about $9 for yearly subscription. So it gives you access to all the features in the app. Now I love this app because of the many features that it has. So you can add your text, you can add stickers, you can add your own music, right? You can even do a screen recording. So for instance, if you want to create a video with a popular sound for Instagram Reels, right? You can do a screen recording of one of the videos that has a popular sound. And then when you want to add music or sound to your video in the InShot app, all you need to do is extract the music from that video. Fantastic feature. You can also play around with your green screen or your chroma effect. You can do a bit of color correction, right, to your videos. If you want to have a variety of fonts on the app, you can download free fonts. Please, emphasis on free fonts because you need to be sure that the font that you're downloading can be used for commercial purposes. You don't have to suffer from copyright strikes or issues on your platforms. So if you want to have a variety of fonts, you can download free fonts on the various websites available to you and upload on InShot and then use in your videos or even on your pictures. So yes, it is a video and picture editing app, but for photos, you do not have all the advanced tools that you would have with a traditional photo editing app. So it's primarily a video editing app. Now, other interesting features for me on the InShot app or in the InShot app are one, you can record your voiceovers on your video. So if you've done a video, for instance, and there is no sound, you currently have no sound on it, and you want to do a voiceover, you can do that within the InShot app, right? So you can be watching your videos and be recording on top of the video and it just syncs and is perfect. You also have the picture in picture effect, which allows you to add video and picture layers to your main videos, right? So for instance, if I'm talking now and I want to do a pop-up somewhere, I can do that in the InShot app. So I can add a picture on top of this video in the InShot app. So this is fantastic if you are a YouTuber, for instance, and you film and edit with your mobile phone. You can edit in the InShot app, you can export in 4K, and you can post straight to YouTube or from your mobile device. Now, the second app on my list is the Adobe Premiere Rush. I hope I pronounced that right. Yes, it's the Adobe Premiere Rush. And this app also is available for Android and iOS devices.
An addition, a fantastic addition, is that there is a desktop app for this app, right? So if you can download it on your laptop and have it on your phone, and maybe you were editing on your phone and then you need a bigger screen, so you want to edit on your laptop, you can do that as long as you sync both devices. However, for that to happen, I believe you need to have the Creative Cloud Express subscription, which I currently have. I have a monthly subscription, right? Because this is not my main video editing app. My main video editing app is InShot, so that's why I have a yearly subscription. But for Premiere Rush, I have it for emergency cases. For instance, when I had issues with my Final Cut Pro, which is the software I use for editing my YouTube videos, and I needed an alternative to edit some videos while sorting out the issues with Final Cut Pro. So at the moment, I believe I'm paying about $8 for a monthly Creative Cloud Express subscription, right? So I can sync on both devices. I can start editing a video on my phone and finish editing the video on my laptop as long as both devices are synced. Now, what I love the most about the Adobe Premiere Rush app is that it has advanced color correction tools. Now, I know you can color correct on InShot or in the InShot app, but for whatever reason, I prefer the color correction tool or features in the Adobe Premiere Rush. So if I need to do some advanced color correcting, or I need to do some, just if I need to enhance the appearance of the video, then I would most likely use the Adobe Premiere Rush app instead of the InShot app. Now, I discovered this app this year. In fact, it's been some months, right? So I'm still new to the app, but so far enjoying it. Another feature that I love so much with the Adobe Premiere Rush app is that you can create presets, right? So presets are basically filters. If you edit with the Lightroom mobile app, for instance, you're very used to the word presets, and it's very helpful, right? If you do talking head videos like this one, right? So you have a standard filming set, you have like a standard light setup and all of that. So it's as in your positioning or filming background or backdrop is going to be consistent in various videos, right? What you can do is edit a video, save the editing style as a preset, and then when next you're editing another video in the same space, right, or in the same setup, you just apply the presets to that video and maybe make one or two adjustments instead of editing from the scratch. Now, with the Adobe Premiere Rush, you can also export in 4K. So again, it's useful if you're shooting and editing for YouTube on your mobile device. Now, the Adobe Premiere Rush app has the free and paid version, right? But you may end up paying for it because with the free version, I think you have only about 5 gig, right, of cloud storage space, which may not be enough. So for instance, I film in 4K. I film my YouTube videos with my phone, but because I want to get very crisp and good quality, I film in 4K. So most of my videos are way beyond 5 gig. So that means that I wouldn't be able to edit in the Adobe Premiere Rush app if I'm not paying for a subscription. So if you have heavy files, right, you may end up paying for a subscription with the Adobe Premiere Rush app so you can upload those heavier files to the app and edit. Now, the last app on my list, which is a very, very recent app, is Bitlip. Now, Bitlip is by the developer Lightricks. It's the same developer that does VideoLip and does Facetune 2 and Facetune app, as well as some other apps, I think Lightlip, and some other apps that I'm not very familiar with, but I'm very familiar with VideoLip and Facetune 2, right? So it's called Bitlip. I have been seeing ads from this app pop up on, I think, YouTube and on Instagram, right? So I decided to download the app sometime last week or last 2 weeks and try it out. And so far, I love it. Now, the primary feature, right, of this app is that you can edit your videos according to the beat of the music. So if you watch those videos where it seems like the videos were made to suit the music, right? So it's following each beat or the rhythm of the music, and you're not sure how to do it, right? Maybe you don't have an ear for it, and you can't do that by yourself in the InShot app. You can download the Bitlip app, and it will just sync your video with the audio and give you a fantastic effect. You can choose from different effects in the app,
as well as filters. The disadvantage, however, is that you cannot color correct or do certain types of edits in the app, right? So for instance, if your video is too saturated, or if your video is too dark or too light, I need to adjust all of those things. You may end up doing it first in the InShot or Adobe Premiere Rush app before going to the Beatlip app to add the effects. Now, unfortunately, this app is available for only iOS devices at the moment, and you can only export up to 1080p. I believe you cannot export in 4K yet. But I'm hoping that with time, they make updates to the app, and then you have a lot more features on the app. Now, the app has free and paid versions. However, to truly enjoy the features of the app, you will have to pay for it. Reason is, if you're not paying for Beatlip, you are restricted to the audio within the app, right? I don't even have access to all the audio options in the app. But if you want to add your own sound, you need an active subscription on the app. So I'm currently paying about $6 for a monthly subscription. Again, this is not my main video editing app, so this also is a monthly subscription. So if I feel like I'm not going to use it as much in the next month, I may not pay for it. That's why it's monthly, as against the yearly subscription that I have with InShot, which is my main video editing app. And that's it for my list of video editing apps for mobile devices. I hope you found this helpful. If you have other apps that you have used and are fantastic, do similar features, or can even do more features or do more things for your videos, feel free to share with me in the comments. I would love to explore and possibly increase my library of video editing videos. But I hope this helped you so much. If you did, please let me know in the comment section. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, again, and if you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.